Today we are going to give you a short eyesight of this beautiful 2 BHK available on sale in this ground plus 7-story tower situated in Mira Road at the northern outskirts of Mumbai and has emerged as a preferred residential destination owing to affordable property options in Mira Road, Mumbai. You can see this beautiful road facing flat available on sale as well as on heavy deposit. This is your main back road, the Lodha back road, which is situated in Mira Road. You can see the railway track wall. This is a boundary wall of railway track. We have got a Mira Road railway station over there, and we are standing on the road, and we have got a beautiful 2 BHK in this cool building for sale as well as on heavy deposit. Now let's check out this society. This is a beautiful back gate. We can see the view of the back road from here. You can see the west projects over there and a beautiful road, very pleasantful and very peaceful area and very peaceful house, a wind flowing house. You can see the road over here. We have got a dedicated parking with this flat. We are standing in the parking. We have got a dedicated 4-wheeler parking, and you can park your 2-wheeler bikes too. And this is your whole community area. You can see the big space over here. We have got a parking, dedicated parking. This is a ground plus 7-story tower, a single building in this society, a registered society. Do contact for more details. Keep watching for further details. You will get this beautiful big size living space with a big balcony facing towards Lodha back road, facing towards Mira Road railway station, all the west projects over there. You can see this space. You can see this beautiful balcony over here facing whole road, a roadside flat, a road facing frontage flat available on sale as well as on heavy deposit. So this is the best option, and with this big living space, 2 BHK available on sale as well as on heavy deposit. Buy, sell, rent and advertise your properties with Mursalin Petiwala on Instagram and YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram for daily property updates. Keep watching for further details. This is your master bedroom. We have got a L-shaped balcony over here. This is your big master bedroom with this beautiful master bedroom washroom. You can see the size of this room, and you can see the size of this balcony facing again outside. We have got 3-face view. You can see the wind coming in, a wind flowing flat. You can see all the clothes are swinging around, and we have got a L-shaped big size terrace flat, big size balcony, whatever say, because it is a very big balcony. You can keep a chair and you can enjoy your high tea, you can enjoy your coffee in the morning, and you can enjoy your all grudges over here. We have got a 3-face view, Maxis Mall bridge view, Lodha back road and the Mira Road railway station view, and the backside view from the dry balcony area of the kitchen. So this is a very good option for you guys to buy a 2 BHK in Nayanagar, Lodha back road, Mira Road. You have got this beautiful 2 BHK with this beautiful modular kitchen, applied all the tiles till top. You can see this beautiful modular tiles with a big dry balcony space facing backwards. You can see all the 3-face view. We have showed all the view from you till top. So this is a very good option. You can see the view from here too. We are on the top floor, and we have got 2 flats on per floor. We have got this modular kitchen over here. You can see all the lofts, base lofts, and all the washing machine area, dry balcony space, terrace, living space, 2 BHK, 1 BHK master bedroom. So it is a very good option. We have got a dedicated parking to Nayanagar Mira Road. Do contact us for more details. Thank you so much for watching.